Let me ask you something. What if you could make money without working more hours? Not by grinding harder, but by using AI tools that are already available right now. Because here's the truth in 2026. AI is not coming. It's already here. And right now, there are two types of people. People who are using AI to make money and people who are being replaced by it. The gap is growing fast. And if you don't learn how to use AI, you risk falling behind. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need expensive tools. And you don't need years of experience. You just need the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI side hustles that are actually making money in the US in 2026, real examples and income potential, and how you can start as a complete beginner. No hype, no fake gurus, just real opportunities. Let's get into it. Why AI side hustles are exploding right now. Let's understand the timing, because timing matters. Reason 1, businesses need AI help small businesses across the US. Don't understand AI, don't have time to learn, but they need it. So what do? They pay someone else. That's your opportunity. Reason 2, AI tools are easy now. In the past, you needed technical skills. Now you can use AI tools with simple prompts. That means beginners can compete quickly. Reason 3, high demand plus low skill gap. Right now, demand equals high competition, skilled equals low. That's the perfect opportunity window. What makes an AI side hustle actually pay? Before we jump into the list, let's define something important, because not all AI hustles work. A real AI side hustle must have dual. 1, real market demand people are already paying for it. 2, simple execution. You can start quickly. 3, scalable income. You can grow beyond $100 per month if it checks all it. 2, it's worth your time. AI side hustle. Number 1, AI content creation, high demand. This is one of the biggest opportunities right now. What you do, you've helped businesses create content using AI, social media posts, blog articles, YouTube scripts, captions. Why it pays? Businesses need content daily, but they don't have time. So they outsource. Real income example, charge that $100 to $300 per client per month. Get 5 clients. $500 to $1,500 per month. Tools you can use. AI writing tools, content generators, basic editing tools. Why this works in 2026. Content demand is exploding, and AI makes it faster. AI side hustle number 2, AI video, editing and automation video is dominating everything. What you do, you help creators or businesses edit videos, add captions, create short form clips, automate content. Why it pays? Everyone wants video, but most people hate editing. That's your opportunity. A real income, $50 to $200 per video, 10 clients per month equals $1,000 plus bonus AI tools make editing much faster. AI side hustle. Number 3, selling AI digital products. This is where passive income comes in. What you sell, AI prompt packs, templates, ebooks, Notion tools. Example, sell a $10 product. 100 sales equals $1,000. Why it works? People want shortcuts. If your product saves time, it sells. AI side hustle number 4, AI chatbot setup for businesses. This one is underrated, but very powerful. What you do, you help businesses set up AI chatbots for customer support, lead generation, appointment booking. Why it pays? Businesses want to save time, reduce staff cost, respond instantly. AI chatbots solve all 3. Real income setup fee, $200 to $1,000. Monthly management, $50 to $300. Just 5 clients? $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Why this works in 2026, AI automation is growing fast, and most small businesses still haven't adopted it. That's your opportunity. AI side hustle number 5, AI thumbnail and design services. This is perfect for beginners. What you do, you create YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, ad creative using AI tools. Why it pays? Creators need high CTR thumbnails, but most can't design. Real income $10 to $50 per thumbnail, 5 clients daily equals $1,000 plus per month. Bonus, you can scale fast because design becomes quicker with AI. How to start? Beginner, step by step. Let's make this real. Step 1, pick one hustle. Don't try all 5. Choose one. Step 2, learn basic skill, 2 to 3 days. Use YouTube free tutorials practice. Step 3, create simple offer. Example, I will create 5 social media posts for $25. Step 4, find clients Fiverr Upwork. Instagram cold DM local businesses. Step 5, deliver and improve. Your first goal is not perfection. It's getting paid. How to get your first client? Fast. This is where most people struggle. Strategy, don't wait. Reach out. Message small businesses. Hey, I noticed your content could improve. I can help you create better posts using AI. Keep it simple. Send 20 to 30 messages. Someone will reply. That's how you start. How to scale to $1,000 to $5,000 per month once you get results. Do this. 1, increase your price from $20 to $50 to $100. 2, focus on one service. Don't be everywhere. Be known for one thing. 3, get repeat clients. Monthly clients equals stable income. 4, build simple. System templates, automation, faster delivery, that's how you scale. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Most beginners fail because of this. Trying too many things, quitting too early, overthinking, not taking action. Truth, execution beats knowledge, the reality of AI side hustles. Let's be honest, AI is powerful, but it's just a tool. You still need consistency, effort learning. There's no shortcut. But there is leverage, and AI gives you that leverage. In 2026, AI is changing how people make money, and the people who learn how to use it early will have a major advantage. You don't need to master everything. You just need to start with one skill and build from there. Because even a simple AI side hustle can turn into something much bigger over time. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on real value. Thanks for watching.